Namaste बच्चों, this is your Hindi teacher, Mr. Sanjay. Today I am here with a new topic, that is Patra Lekhan. Patra Lekhan means what? Letter writing. Patra Lekhan means what? Letter writing. So in Hindi, what is there? There are two types of letter. There are two types of letter. One is informal letter and another one is their formal letter. So अनौपचारिक पत्र हिंदी में उसे कहते हैं अनौपचारिक पत्र एंड औपचारिक पत्र. करेक्ट. सो अनौपचारिक पत्र, what is there? To whom we are writing there? Those who are our relatives or friends, like father, mother, sister, grandfather, to whom we are writing, that is anopcharik patra. And opcharik patra, those who are not our relatives, that is who? Police inspector or the editor of newspaper, like this. So now we are going to learn anopcharik patra. Okay, so to whom we are writing there? Friends, relatives, father, mother, and some more. Okay, so see there, when we are writing letter, so left side of your hand, like this one red line will be there, like this one red margin will be there. Near that you have to write to whom you are writing, that you write there. Before that, this all the letters you are writing in exam hall. Suppose you are not writing from home, correct? So all exams, because whatever exam letters we are giving there, that you are writing from home. So from where you are writing, that address will be here, left side on the top of the corner. What will be there? That address will be there. So suppose you are writing from the exam hall. What is that? Pariksha Bhavan. It is called Pariksha Bhavan. Then which school is there? That Pariksha Bhavan means exam center, where it is there, which school? Kakhaga Vidyalaya. We should not mention the name of the school there. So what will come there? Abaka, Kakhaga, Daba, any Kakhaga, 3 letters you have to keep it there. And what will come there? That Vidyalaya means school, correct? Then from which place, where it is, in which city it is there, that you have to write there. Suppose Tirupur is there, so here Tirupur I have written there. So how your address will be there? Pariksha Bhavan, Kakhaga Vidyalaya, name of the school here, and the place Tirupur, correct? So here exam center, here school name, and here what will be there? The city name will be there, from which city you are writing there. Okay, so this address, when you are writing from the exam hall, but suppose you are writing from your home, so what will come there? Preshak ka pata. It's your address. From home, if you are writing a letter, so what will come there? Preshak ka pata will come there. Preshak means what? The writer. And pata means what? The address. So those who are writing there, suppose you are writing there, means your address will come here. When it will come here? When you are writing a letter from your home or from the hostel also. So that hostel address will be here instead of Pariksha Bhavan. But we have to learn that now only, because all the letters we are going to write in exam only. Correct? We are going to write in exam only. So Pariksha Bhavan, Kakhaga Vidyalaya, Tirupur. Then date will come there, Dinank. After that, what will come there? Date will come there. Okay. Then after date, Sambodhan. Now here Sambodhan, what is there? You will write there, no, respected sir. In English letter you will write there respected sir. So in Hindi, Priya Bahen, Adarniya Dadaji, Priya, Pujya Pitaji. These Pujya, respected words are there, no? That means what? Sambodhan. Okay, that is in English, I think, salutation. It is called salutation. Okay, so what will respective word you have to write here? Suppose you are writing a letter to your grandfather, so Adarniya Dadaji. Adarniya Dadaji. Suppose you are writing a letter to your father, so what will come there? Pujya Pitaji. This letter we are writing for our relatives. That's why it is called Anopcharik letter. Correct? So to whom you are writing there, according to that, this Sambodhan will be changed there. And date you can keep it in mind there, on which date you are writing there. Suppose today's date. Today I am writing a letter there. So today's date, what is there? 22nd. So what is there? 22. Month, what is there? June is there. 22 June 2020 will come there. 22 June 2020. 2020. Suppose tomorrow you are writing there, so what will be there the date? 23rd June 2020. Exam when will be there? March time will be there. So what will be the date here? Whatever date your exam will be there, that same date and month. Month should be written in Hindi, and this date and the year should be written in numbers. Okay, so Sambodhan, what is there? That respective words are there. Respected sir, like this. Dear father, you are writing there, so that is called in Hindi Sambodhan. Abhivadan means what? Namaste we will say there. Namaste, blessings we are taking there. Correct? So that means what? Salutation. Pranam. Pranam Pitaji. प्रणाम करना या आशीर्वाद करना. सस्नेह, मित्र को अगर लिख रहे, इफ यू आर राइटिंग अ लेटर टू योर फ्रेंड, सो व्हाट विल कम देयर? सस्नेह. सो these are called abhivadan. These are called from my bottom of my heart, I am respecting you, like this you will say there. Now when you are writing a letter there to relative, so something attachment should be there. Emotionally you have to emotional words you have to keep it there. That is called abhivadan. Means though you are not in front of them while writing a letter there, but they should feel that while reading there, oh, my son is obedient, he is taking blessings from me. So he should feel like that. So that is called abhivadan. Okay. Then after that, down. Here place is not there. That's why I have written right side. Then down, what will come there here? Pehla anuched. Body of the letter will come there. Body of the letter. So you knew it there for what purpose you are writing there, to whom you are writing there. Correct. So body of the letter. So when you are writing a letter there, 3 paragraphs should be there. 3 paragraphs should be there. 3 paragraphs should be there. So first paragraph, what is there? You see there here. Pehla anuched. Pehla anuched means what here? First paragraph. Here Kushal Kshem. Here what will be there? Kushal Kshem. Means in first paragraph you have to ask that how are you? You have to inquire how are the members in the family. आप लोगों को पूछना है कि फैमिली में सभी के सभी जो परिवारजन है तुम्हारे, माता पिता दादा दादी जो भी है, उनकी कुशल क्षेम आपको पूछना है. उनकी हालात कैसी है, परिस्थिति कैसे है, वो अच्छे से है कि नहीं, वो सब कुछ किसमें पूछना है? पहले अनुच्छेद में पूछना है. दूसरा अनुच्छेद, दूसरे अनुच्छेद में क्या आएगा? जिसके लिए तुम पत्र लिख ले हो. फॉर व्हाट पर्पज यू आर राइटिंग अ लेटर देयर. सपोज यू आर staying at hostel and you wanted some money there. So in second paragraph, what? Father, I wanted to purchase some books there, so I need 1000 rupees or something. So can you arrange as soon as possible? That कहां पर आएगा? ये दूसरे अनुच्छेद में आएगा. पहले अनुच्छेद में क्या आएगा? You have to ask about inquiry about the family. How are they? Because when you are writing letter, so you are not staying with them. You are somewhere outside. You went for learning, getting education to another city, or you are staying at hostel, like this. Imagination. Generally we are not writing letter there. Email we are sending there directly, we are calling them, and we are being at home only. But just you have to imagine that. Okay. So first paragraph about how is the family. Okay. How is the family? How all are they? Then second one, what, for what purpose you are writing a letter there. दूसरा अनुच्छेद, किस लिए आपको पत्र के विषय अनुसार आपको क्या चाहिए उसके बारे में आपको लिखना है. तीसरा क्या है, एंड ऑफ द लेटर. तीसरा अनुच्छेद, थर्ड पैराग्राफ. अनुच्छेद मीन्स व्हाट, पैराग्राफ. थर्ड पैराग्राफ, आफ्टर राइटिंग दैट I hope that all the family members are good there. Convey my regards to my younger brother or grandpa or somewhere. छोटों को मेरा आशीर्वाद और बड़ों को मेरा सादर प्रणाम. ऐसे हमें लिखना है. So 3 paragraphs you have to write there. Then प्रापक के साथ प्रेषक का संबंध. प्रापक means what, you. प्रापक means what, Prapak means to whom you are writing a letter there. Father, mother, whatever it is. Preshak means you. Sambandha means what? Relation. Your relation. Your relation you have to write down there. For example, suppose if you are writing a letter to grandfather, then what is the relation between you and grandfather? Your grandfather will call you grandson or granddaughter, nati or pota. So that what will come there down here left side, आपका आज्ञाकारी पोता, your obedient grandson, loving grandson. Where will come there? Here will come there after writing this 3 paragraph. Correct. Then your name should be given there. Your name should be given there. Correct. So once more I am explaining once more here. Anupcharik patra, to whom you are writing there, to your relatives. Correct. Suppose this letter you are writing from the exam hall, so exam hall address will come there. Correct. Pariksha Bhavan means what? Exam hall. The school, in school will be there that Pariksha Bhavan. Correct. So Kakhaga Vidyalay, we should not mention any name of the school there. And where is that school, in which city? So Tirupur. Correct. Then date will come there here. So current date, on which day you are going to write a letter there, that date. Date should be in numbers, only month should be in Hindi, and again year should be in number. In straight line you can write down there. Here Sambodhan, dear father, you are writing there, Pujya Pitaji, Adarniya, Dadaji, that. Then Abhivadan, Sadar Pranam. Take your Charan Sparsha, Sadar Pranam. These types of words will come there. Correct. Then your letter will start there. Here body of the letter will come there. First paragraph, you have to ask about how is the family. How is the family. Then second paragraph is there. What, for what purpose you are writing a letter there. आप क्यों लिख रहे हो पत्र, उसके बारे में क्या करना है आपको यहाँ पर लिखना है. And third again, you are asking about father, mother and everything, but last you have to ask Ashir, छोटों के, how are the small ones, your younger one brothers or elder brothers or grandma or grandmother. Suppose you are writing a letter to your father, so you have to ask how is your brother or sister, how is your grandma or grandfather. So my blessings are with them, like this you have to convey here, the end of the third para. Correct. Then here, to whom you are writing a letter there, with them your relation. Correct. So if you are writing a father, writing a letter to your father, so what will be your relation with father there? He is your father, so you are his son. You have to find out. So in Hindi what is there? Putra. आपका पुत्र ऐसे आपको, या पुत्री, लड़की, आपकी putri. Then your name, whatever will be there, your name will be there, that you have to write down here. Your name you have to write down. Correct. So like this the format is there. One example also we can see there. So let us see there. One example I will give you.